Okay, it went in nice. Chipped off a little bit more of the plywood and it fit. Didn't have to go recut or anything, and this fit snug. Just had to tap it in. And I put the angles at a steep, I put the screws in at a steep angle so they would not come through the roof part on both sides. So it's good and solid. Feel really good about that. Yeah, and since we're doing a little short video just on that, I want to re-stress that I think this leak, I see no evidence that it was caused by anything else other than the drip edge not being wide enough back in. So maybe if we would have had, I don't know, I've sometimes debated whether the drip edge should go on top of the tar paper, but you really can't rely on tar paper as your roof stop. So, because that really wouldn't do it anyways, it would just soak down through the underside of the drip edge and then you'd still have the same problem. So I do not see where this roof was, I don't see any hole area up in here. Yes, it's broke right here, but that's from me putting the ladder up here recently. And the same way with over here, that can happen when you do ladder work. But there's no reason that I can see that anything is compromised in here. And these are the architectural shingles, so there's not the 3-tab, there's no gap in there. They're solid. It looks like it's broke, but it's really solid all the way across here. Not that I'm a fan of shingles, but if you're gonna do them, do these. Okay, so I'm going to just put the soffit back on and we'll do the fascia when I have some help from Lucas. And I think right now I'm going to go help someone move some items into their new house. Okay, that's it for right now. Well, as soon as I get them on.